What is up, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. Sorry if I sound a little nasally. I'm a little under the weather, but I wanted to install my OPT7 interior aura lights. So right now I'm just going to unbox them for you real quick, show you basically what comes with it, and then we're going to be putting it on the Altezza. So let's do it. Alright guys, so in the bag came these two boxes because I ordered the 6-piece aura kit. So there's 4 in here, 2 extra ones in there. Let me take out the 2 boxes here and show you what's in them. Instructions. More about that after. Take out the boxes from the bag. These are the 3 boxes that basically came with the setup. In here we have this so we can use it and connect it to a fuse box, which is what we're gonna do. We have some extensions for the actual lights. More extensions, more extensions, more extensions. Quite a bit of zip ties, which I'm probably gonna use, or if not, just keep them around because I always use zip ties. And then some brackets. Alright, now box number 2. We have the actual module that we are going to be plugging into. You can see right here, this connects either for the cigarette lighter buddy, which we're not going to use, but that's like the easier way to install it. So basically you just install everything and then connect it to your cigarette lighter. But we're going to be doing it to a fuse, so that way it's cleaner. Here we have the fuses that you'll be able to tap into a fuse box with. And then here we have 4 of the lights. They're the LED strips with 3M tape on the back. So, and then we have the adhesive promoter. So that way it stays. And then the next box is just the extensions for these 2 lights, and then these 2 lights. So basically that is everything that we are going to be using. It's going to be the 6 lights, the extensions to be able to reach the box in the module at the front. We're going to be using the fuse box one because I want a cleaner install. And then that should be it. Okay, so I found this little box. Oh no, I dropped something. So I found this little box inside the OPT7 box, and it had, oh, nice. It's like a little remote. And then it has the actual remote, the one that you can control the colors and stuff. Nice. What is this though? Ooh! I guess you can have like 4 settings set up. Nice, we'll play with that later. So if you're going to do the cigarette lighter one, you just run all the wires and connect it to the car charger. If you're going to do the fuse one, do everything but you go to a fuse and then to ground, which is what we're going to be doing, option B. So I'm going to put all this back in the boxes, take it outside, and then Mako's going to come by and we're going to install them. This guy decides to blow his yard now, but right now basically I'm just going to find where I want the LED strips to be. Mako came over, the one with the Jeep. You left your DRLs on.
I've left them on overnight and they're fine, trust.
Trying to find spots for the lights, then we're going to get started with the install. Right now we have them all connected to where we were going to put them. We have it connected to the fuse box on the cigarette lighter so that it has power only when the car's on, because on this car cigarette lighter only works with the car on. We ran all the wires to the front, and right now we're going to test them to make sure it works on that fuse. Let me give it some power. You think I gotta turn it on with the remote? Let me get the remote. We got the remote. On. Nothing. Let me turn on the car. On. What the f? Okay, to test the box, let's connect it to the ashtray real quick. Yeah. And see if maybe it's just not a good fuse. Okay, let's press on. Okay, now they're on. So, it's something to do with the fuse we tapped into. Alright, so a little update. We connected it to the cigarette lighter and it worked right away, all the lights. But we think that the part that you connect to the fuse is messed up, because we literally just ran it to the battery and they still don't turn on. So Mako has what has extra from what he did it to his car. So we're gonna test his and see if maybe mine's just bad. All right, so Mako's gonna connect it to the battery. Yes. Okay, they're on. So now using Mako's wire, we have lights. We just finished tucking the wires, getting them all turned on. It looks good. We have it tucked up there. All the lights turned on. It's still daytime and it's still pretty bright. Where's the remote? Yeah, the remote. How far does it work from? Oh, it even works from out here. So basically has all the colors, all the hues. Has, you can color cycle, color fade, color strobe. It strobes one color at a time. Probably pick one, yeah. You just keep pressing it, it changes color. Beat, it goes to the music. Actually, turn on the car, put on the radio. Let's try it. Keep pressing it and it changes the song. Alright, let's not get copyright. That's basically the end of this install. It was pretty straightforward, just finding the spots you want to put it, finding a fuse to tap into so that way you can put it to the fuse, or you can literally just put it to the cigarette lighter. But then after that, it's just running the wires and tucking them. The longest time was just tucking the wires and running them across the car. But let's say thank you to Mako for coming by and helping out.
We did it!
We did it! Hooray!
Alright.
Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next upload.